Okay, good morning students. Last class we discussed about molarity, its number of moles. Then we discussed about mole fraction. I gave you some numericals to do. I hope those numericals are clear. How to find out molarity in case of different kind of modules, and how to find out molarity in case of different kind of sums, which shows different kind of genre of sums where mass is given or percentage is given. So today I will discuss the next part, which is molarity. So molarity is done. We will go to molarity, but before going to molarity, we will do some numericals. So question number 1.36. Question number 1.35 you take out of your textbook. Now in that question they have reaction they have given. Okay, they have told to find out the mass of CaCO3. They have told to find out the mass of CaCO3 required to react completely with this 25 ml of 0.75 molar HCl. ये क्वेश्चन है. And equation they have given CaCO3 plus 2 HCl gives you CaCl2 plus H2O plus CO2. Clear? This they have given you. Now you see this question. They have told to calculate the mass of CaCO3 required to react completely with this. Now this means what? This means molarity. This means molarity. 25 ml of 0.75 molar HCl. So यहाँ से क्या निकले? What will come out? So molarity is given, volume is given. So we know that molarity is equal to given mass by molar mass into volume in liter, which means molarity is given to you as 0.75. Volume is given, molar mass you know of HCl. So इसका मतलब यहाँ से क्या निकलेगा? यहाँ से you will take out mass, the mass of HCl. You have to take out the mass of HCl. So like this, whenever it is there, no, you take out the mass of HCl. Means you have to take out, whenever volume and molarity is given, you take out the mass. So mass by molar mass, 1 plus 35.5, that is 36.5 into volume in liter. So volume is 25 divided by 1000. So from here W will come out as, if I take a calculator and do, as time is running out. So if I take a calculator and do, it will come W is equal to 0.75 into 36.5 into 25 by 1000. So if I take the calculator, so it is 0.75 into 36.5 into 0.025. The answer comes out to be 0.685 gram. 0.685 gram of HCl. तो अभी क्वेश्चन क्या बन गया? What mass of calcium carbonate will be required to react completely with this much mass of HCl? ये हिंट देने का मतलब है ये मास, इतना मास के लिए कितना कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट you need for this much mass. So same like mole concept, I will write the original one. So original one how will I write? इसका हो जाएगा 100 ग्राम और इसका हो जाएगा 2 into 36.5 ग्राम, that is 73 ग्राम. Came original one came. So 73 ग्राम के लिए you need 100 ग्राम. For 73 gram you need 100 gram. So for this much gram you need how much calcium carbonate? That is the answer. So this question is like mole concept का question only. That what mass of this will react with what mass of this. लेकिन mass नहीं दिया हुआ है, this is given. So from this you find out the mass. So the question becomes what mass of CaCO3 requires to react with this. So 73 gram reacts with 100, 1 gram reacts with 100 by 73, therefore this much reacts with 100 by 73 into this. That is the answer. In the same way, In the same way, there is a question, I forgot the number, I don't have it. In the same way, there is a question after the glucose one, which we solved today, yesterday which you solved. The glucose one के बाद तुमको बोला है कि अगर डेंसिटी 0.739 kg per liter है, तो what is the volume required? Then what is the volume required for making something liter of some molar HCl? The question is given to you or not? आज जो ग्लूकोज का क्वेश्चन किया उसके बाद का क्वेश्चन है ये. If I clarify it out, if I try to look at the question, then the question which is given is that if the density of methanol, okay, methanol is given, formula is CH3OH. If the density of methanol is this, what is the volume needed for making 2.5 liter of 0.25 molar HCl? इसका मतलब डेंसिटी दिया हुआ है, तुमको वॉल्यूम निकालना है. सो डेंसिटी इक्वल्स टू मास बाय वॉल्यूम. डेंसिटी इज गिवन, तुमको वॉल्यूम निकालने बोला है. डेंसिटी इक्वल टू मास बाय वॉल्यूम. लेकिन ये किसका लिए? इसका लिए ना. तो इस हिंट से फिर मास निकलेगा. सो टेक आउट द मास ऑफ HCl. सो if I write like this, then molarity is equal to W by M into V. So this implies molarity is 0.25. Given mass you have to find out. Molar mass is 36.5 into volume is 2.5 liter only. So from here W will come out the given mass. The given mass will come out from here 0.25 into 36.5 into 2.5. So mass comes out from here. Mass comes out from here 0.25 into 36.5 into 2.5. So 0.25 into 36.5 into 2.5. So the mass comes out to be 22.8 gram. The mass comes out to be 22.8 gram. Now ये mass को you have to put in density equal to mass by volume का formula. This mass you have to put it here. Density equal to mass by volume. Because density is given, they have asked you the volume. But density is in kg. So ये है ग्राम. So इसको तुमको लेना पड़ेगा kg में. So kg में if I take, ये हो जाएगा 0.0228 kg. So now you put it here. Density of mass by volume. So density is given to you. Density is given to you as 0.793 equals to mass by volume. So density equal to mass by volume. So volume you can take out this by this. So this is the sum. So remember, whenever you have these kind of sums are there. First you find out mass. मोलरिटी वॉल्यूम देने से तुम लोग को निकालना पड़ेगा मास निकालने के बाद उसको यूज करके द प्रीवियस सम यू डिड फर्स्ट यू टुक आउट मास एंड देन यू डिड अकॉर्डिंग टू मोल कांसेप्ट. हियर फर्स्ट यू टुक आउट मास and then you put it in this formula, you take out the volume, density equal to mass by volume. So these two are the special numericals. Other numericals to almost I have discussed. This is question number I guess 1.12. This question number 1.12 and other to you practice only. Some more are there but that we'll discuss later on. So today you practice molarity ka numericals. I'll give you some more in Google Classroom. And tomorrow we'll start with the last topic of this chapter, which is molality. Not today. Tomorrow we'll discuss molality. So molality के साथ this chapter will be over. So practice more and more numericals on that. Okay. Thank you very much. Stay blessed and stay happy. Thank you.